Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Chase Bank application on your smartphone. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to go to the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and then use the search box to search for Chase Mobile. Now, from the search results, when you find the Chase Mobile application by JP Morgan Chase, just tap on the Install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Chase application on your smartphone. Once the download is completed, you can just proceed with signing up or logging in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Chase Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.